Hello my friends and welcome to another unboxing and review. We're checking out these Langsdom AirFit ultra lightweight open ear earbuds here. These feature an IPX5 rating, so pretty much you can take them in the shower. They're not recommended for submersing, but other than that you can just rinse them off if you need to clean them and stuff like that. So very cool box here. I really like that. It's super nice. Okay, like the presentation there. All right, let's get this out of there. It comes with a little charging case, which is cool. This thing's super lightweight, actually. Check this out. Oh, wow. All right, so green is my favorite color. I'm super particular to that. Man, they weigh like 9 grams. These are almost weightless. They really don't feel like anything at all. That's crazy. Okay, and they have this area right here is like silicone, so it's super flexible. And yeah, I can already tell, like, if I'm going to put this in when I put this in my ear, it's just going to be almost hard to tell it's there. It's so small and lightweight. Let's check out the accessories here. Got that. Open up the little box here. Okay. Very cool little thank you thing. Wow, check out that user's manual. It's almost as big as one for my car. Not really, but it's a lot of, probably a lot of different languages on here. So English, yes, French, Dutch, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, Korean. Very nice. And then we have our charging cable here. Also this nice little bag here, you can keep it in. So super stoked to like try this out. I'm going to connect it to my phone. All right, so it has these little, make sure you take these off so your thing can charge if necessary. It's got a little magnet too that holds that into place there. So take these little plastic sticker off of here so the connection leads can go on there. It should show some kind of indicator that it is charging. And yeah, so right here on the front we have that little light there. Very nice. And just a really cool little case here. So okay, it's got little lights on the earbuds too. I'm just gonna try to pop one of these in. So it says right and left on there, and let's give this one a shot here. I actually need my cell phone. I'll connect these real quick. And let's try out the sound. Also, I'll be testing out the microphone as well. So I'll play that for you guys so you can hear what it sounds like. First impressions though, I really like the color. A crazy lightweight. I like that it has an IPX5 rating. So unless pretty much going to resist all the water you put on it unless you're like submersing underwater. So that's not recommended. But like you can take it out jogging in the rain and shower, and you just rinse these off too, which is really cool. So I'm going to set up the Bluetooth and all that, and we'll be right back here. Out, and we're just switching over to the Bluetooth. Simply go to your Bluetooth settings and scroll until you find the Langsdom AirFit pairing, and then we are good. It says pair and awesome. Okay, so let's test out some sound here. I got, let's see, some Amazon Music on here. So far, like, these things just fit right over your ear, and yeah, they're really lightweight, and they're comfortable too. This is like a flexible silicone, so it's just not even like, you can't even really tell it's there. Like I know with like some earbuds and stuff, they like fit in your ear. They can be a little uncomfortable, especially over like longer periods of time. I've had like the earbuds and stuff like that, Samsung ones. Anyways, let's try out some music here real quick. All right, so really good sound quality. The bass is actually really decent. So I have to turn this down a little bit so I can't hear me talking. These are so lightweight, I don't really even feel them on me. And they're really on there. You can do whatever, and they're not going to come off of there. It's just like, man, it really, it's hard to describe. You don't really even feel them on there. They're really lightweight. Like if I was just walking around with these, I would forget that I had them on because they're just so unobtrusive. I feel like I'd wear these all day without really any kind of discomfort at all, unlike other earbuds I've experienced before. So what I like too is that it's just over the ear. So you can also hear people, a conversation around you, a lot safer, definitely, if you're riding your bike, traffic and stuff like that. Other ones that go in your ear, you can't hear anything but the music. I like this, so if someone's trying to talk to you too, you can hear them, or different things like that. So it's really nice. Super comfortable. The buttons are responsive on the side. It's just like a touch on the side. So double tap to pause it, pauses the music, double tap again, either side to like play it as you want. And you can skip with like 2 or 3, answer the phone and things like that. So, all right. So first impression, just really impressed with how the sound quality is. It's really clear. I haven't experienced any staticky or anything like that. Very clear quality, very good. And the bass is actually really decent. Was listening to like an NF song, and it was really good bass on there. So I'm going to test out the microphone now and let you guys hear it and see what you think about it. Okay, friends, so this first part of the video is just the microphones here. See those, I have those on there. Now I'm going to switch to the earphones and we'll just test out the sound, and we'll be able to kind of hear the different, the quality here on this. All right, here we go. So as you can tell, these are not on anymore, and I'm using the headphones to talk. So just gonna listen to the quality here. I'm gonna kind of listen back on the video and kind of give you what my thoughts are on that. So yeah, it seems to be, I'm just looking at my screen right here and it's telling me it seems to be super responsive, both left and right side. So let's take a listen and see how it goes. All right, just listening back right now, the sound quality is really impressive, actually. I mean, it's obviously not as good as this microphone only meant for that, but yeah, really impressive. You can still hear everything just fine. So I really like that. The sound quality on this is pretty crazy. Even on really low settings, the sound, I can still hear it well, and everything is super clear. Like I'm listening to different songs, and the audio is pretty amazing. Probably the best audio I've ever had on a earbud. So I'm really impressed with it, actually. So now what I'm going to do, I got my music playing here, and I'm going to test out the IPX5 rating here. There we go. So I don't know if you guys can hear the music a little bit. So here it is. Obviously IPX5 is not submersing, but it should be able to just kind of rinse it off in here. And you could just rinse it off with the water and it should be no problem. And here we go. Crank this volume up so you guys can hear. So still working just fine. I like that you can just rinse it off and not worry about it getting damaged or whatever. We got this nice silicone coating on the outside and everything. And then just the little speaker part here. So even with pouring the water over it, like I said, this is no problem. You can just rinse it off under the faucet if they get dirty, if they get sweaty or whatever. You would take them to the gym and you just rinse it off, and you guys can see, I mean, there's no problem. They're still working just fine. So final thoughts on these guys. Turn some music off real quick. They're just very, very lightweight, very easy to use. Oops, got water on the case there. Probably the best sound quality I've ever heard on an earbud. So, I mean, I've had quite a few different ones before. I've probably tested out 10 to 15. The bass is excellent. The sound quality is top notch, and the microphone is super easy to hear. I like that they're water resistant there. Obviously, don't like go swimming with them, but very comfortable too. Like you don't even feel like you're wearing them. Are super lightweight. It's not hurting my ear or anything. I feel like I could wear these all day long. It wouldn't be any problem. The charging case is super cool, easy to open up. Yeah, some of them that have the magnet in them are like really hard to open. It's got our little light indicator on there. We just open it up, drop our earbuds in there. and they fit on there, start charging right away. So everything about these Langsdom earbuds are seem super good quality. I'm really impressed with them. So if you guys want to check this out, go ahead and click the link in the description below. I don't think you'll be disappointed in these. I'm very happy with them. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.